guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video because I don't know if a lot of people will click this video, but thank you for clicking this video because you're probably the only people that actually click it because you know my views are like 2 people. So as you can see from the title, these are 20 makeup items that I would actually buy if I actually had money. And if you know my backstory, I do not have any money. I am a college student and I'm almost done with college, by the way. And I do not have any money. I do not have a job. I'm just here in front of a camera doing YouTube videos. Yay. I should have a job, but I'm like double majoring and like it's a lot of work and that's a lot of work and like a job is a lot of work, and if I do school and work I won't focus on school that much and I want straight A's. I don't buy makeup often, but if I were to buy makeup I would choose one of these items, but I don't have money. So like these are the list that I've compiled so that when I do have money I know which items that I want. So I know of these makeup items because a lot of people talk about them, and if a lot of people talk about them it's actually good. So I base my opinions on that, and I base my opinions on the YouTubers that talk about them and stuff like that. I'll place pictures on the screen so you know what they look like. I'll do a brief description of them. I know what to kind of expect because other people talk about them. Like, does it make any sense? I don't really know. So the first item I would pick is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Either the light one or the medium one. I don't know which one works for me right now. I don't go to the store to see because I don't go into stores because I don't have money to buy anything. So you know, it's like a whole like domino effect. I would buy the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer because I heard that it's smooth and it smells like beach, or like, what does it smell like? It doesn't smell like butter, obviously. It smells like something else, but I don't really know. I just know that it smells good. And it smells like, probably smells like paradise. I don't wear bronzer now, but if I had that bronzer, girl, let me tell you, I would use it every day all over my body. I would actually sculpt myself some abs because I don't have those. But something else I would buy is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I've heard so much about it, and I've heard that it's full coverage. It has a doe foot applicator that's like really big. Like, I want to try it so bad because like I want to see how it looks on my face. Everybody else talks about it so much. The trend is really dying down a bit, but I would love to try it if they don't discontinue it. The next thing I would buy is the Buxom White Russian Lip Gloss. I love this lip gloss. No one really talks about it, but one person that I know talks about it is Jaclyn Hill. Jaclyn Hill talks about this. She talks about most of the Buxom lip glosses. Jam Beauty 89 talks about this. It's one of the best lip glosses out there. It's not sticky. It's actually a plumping lip gloss. And it's like you could put it on top of anything because it's like kind of nude, kind of clear, kind of beautiful, kind of always beautiful. I've had this before, but I used it all up. Actually, my sister used it all up, so I should make her buy me one, but we won't talk about that. The next product I would buy is the It Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. That is another concealer I would buy because it has the fullest coverage I've heard. It's like waterproof and stuff like that. And I'm just like, whoa. If I could get into the water and not even care about my concealer, let's do it. Because then I could wear makeup to the beach and I'm just like, go me. I could take Instagram pictures and everything. I actually used this concealer before. I've only had a travel size because, you know, it was free with some purchase, you know. I love this concealer and I would use it every day if I could, just like my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, but that concealer is a little light coverage and stuff like that. The next items come like in a pair. They don't come together, but like they're the same brand. So like I put them as one because I wanted to add more, you know. Smart me. I would also buy the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist because, you know, I have dry skin and I need all of the glowiness. And I would also buy the Tatcha Silk Canvas Protective Primer. But I heard that this primer is the best primer. They even give you like a little spatula so you could just scoop it out and be all fancy and put it on your face. If that is not the next level of bougie, I really don't know what it is. I would love something from that brand because I've never had anything from that brand, not even travel size things, because girl, that's expensive. Oh man. So the 6th item I would actually buy is another bronzer. Wow, go me. And it's the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in Perfect Tan. Girl, have you seen the size of that pan? It has white packaging and it's like, the pan is like this big. I've heard so much good things about that bronzer. And I don't even wear bronzer and I want it. Like, what type of sorcery is this? The next product I would buy is actually a foundation stick. Never in my life I thought I would want a foundation stick, but the Hourglass Vanish foundation stick has me dying. Like, people put it on and I'm just like, all their imperfections are gone. Why don't I have that? Oh, because it's expensive and I'm poor. That's why. The 8th thing I would buy is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. If you hear the word continuous in a setting mist, you already know that it's good. Jaclyn Hill talks about it. Jam Beauty 89 talks about it. Manny Way talks about it. And a bunch of other influencers talk about it. And I'm just like, I just become memorized while they spray it all over their skin because it's like finely mist and things. Can the gods shine makeup on me because like I need it. I like need it now. This next product, I feel like everybody has talked about it and I've not heard any bad reviews on it. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Powder. I see people put this powder on and their pores like completely disappear. And if I had that powder, I would look like a goddess because it like does miracles. I don't know what they put in it. I don't know what type of sorcery they put in it, but like I need it. But like that's expensive. The packaging is really pretty. It's expensive and like they don't even sell it at Sephora. That's how cool it is. The 10th item is actually not a makeup item. It's actually a skincare item. I should have put it in like another video, but I'm not because I already have it written down. I'm just like, it is the Origin Ginseng Eye Cream. I've wanted this since Ingrid Nilsson put this in her video when she was like Miss Glamorazzi. That was like 6 years ago, everybody. And I still haven't bought it. What is wrong with me? I didn't have money 6 years ago and I don't have money now. I think it's expensive, but I'm not really sure if it's that expensive. It comes like in a little orange hot little thingy and like you dip your finger and you put it on your eyes and apparently it works miracles because Ingrid Nilsson does not have any wrinkles underneath her eyes and she's literally 29. Can somebody tell me what type of genetics she has because I really need it. Next item I would want to buy is the La Mer moisturizer. Oh my, that is expensive. Even you saying it is expensive. And if I were to have that moisturizer, I feel like I wouldn't even need makeup anymore. I feel like that moisturizer is like so expensive. That's all you need in your life. And like all the other makeups don't even matter because it's that luxurious and that expensive. I haven't even touched it, but I know like the big bottle or like the medium bottle or the small bottle is like $110 and I'm just like, whoa there girlfriend, you expensive, but I want you. I really want it, but I don't have money for it, and this is why I'm making the video because I'm poor and I want a lot of things. The next product I wanted to talk about is also a recommendation from Ingrid Nilsson. And it is the Eve Lom Rescue Face Mask. And I think she says she put it on her acne and then it goes away the next day. And I'm just like, whoa there girlfriend, I need that. I have like pimples everywhere, but like nobody told me that's a miracle. Nobody told me that. During school time, I get these breakouts that are like no joke. I don't even wear makeup to school and I still have breakouts. And that's how bad it is. School is that bad. The next product I wanted to talk about is the Naked 1 palette. A long time ago for like my 14th birthday, I got the Naked 2 palette, but not the Naked 1 palette. Everybody says that it's a cult favorite and that they don't want to throw it out because it's so amazing. And I'm just like, can I have that one? Can I really have that one? The next thing I wanted to talk about is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is one of the new things that recently popped up and I heard that it's really cooling on the face and that it's like weird but cool because it feels like there's water on your face but it's like really not because it's a powder. And I'm just like, I want makeup to feel like water on my face. Like why can't I have that? Oh yeah, because I don't have money to buy it. The next thing I wanted to talk about is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base Moisturizer that everybody talks about and they use it as a primer for their face. And they say that it leaves your skin really hydrated. That paired with the La Mer moisturizer is gonna leave my skin like if I'm 20 all over again. The 16th thing I wanted to talk about is the Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Treatment and the little purple tub thing. I think it makes your face shiny and cool, and they had all different colors but now they only have that one because it was like a limited edition thing. And I feel like I need the firming because I'm getting old and I need it right now. We don't want to look old over here. We want to look young forever. That thing is like $80. The full size is like $80, and I'm just like, I can't spend $80 on a face mask. The little purple tub is like so aesthetic, and you can put it on your little nightstand and look, make it look all pretty. And I'm just like, give it to me, give it, give it, give it, please. The 17th thing is the Balm Mary Luminizer highlighter. Since the beginning of YouTube, I've literally heard that that highlighter is one of the best highlighters. Everybody has it in their makeup collection, you know, except me. And it's like inexpensive too, so I don't know why I have not bought it. You know, maybe because I don't have any money. It's like a whole thing. I don't know why I keep saying it. And I feel like it works on every skin tone because it's like light. It's not like too dark or too goldy. It's like a perfect color for everyone to use. The 18th thing I would buy is another bronzer. I literally don't know why I want so many bronzers if I don't even use bronzer right now. It is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. In the little box thing, everybody used to talk about it a lot back in the days, but like a lot of people have geared more towards the Marc Jacobs one or other ones, and I'm just like, can I have the little box thing? Because like I've heard so much about it, and it comes with a little brush and it's Benefit. Like everybody likes Benefit for their eyebrow stuff, and I just want the little box thing. The 19th thing, the second to last thing, don't worry, we're almost done, is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. That thing is so nice. The foundation and the concealer, that means I don't have to use two different products, and I'm just like, go. Do it, buy it, I need it. It has a really big doe foot applicator when you take it out, and you just place it on your face as if like it's like a concealer, and I'm just like, whoa there. Do not surprise me like that. I have never bought anything from Clinique, but that will be the first thing I would buy. And the last product I wanted to talk about is actually like a little cheat, because it's a kit that has 3 things in it. Oh yes, I cheated my way into the system. And it is the Hollywood contour kit. I believe it comes with the magic foundation and eye wand and the contour and highlight wands. There's 4 things. I thought it was 3, but now it's 4. I'm not sure if it's 3 or 4 because I'm not next to my computer or anything, but like I kind of cheated, so like it's all those things. Hopefully it's not a mini because I don't really like minis. I think one of the items is a mini, but hopefully not the foundation, because I really want to try the foundation, even though that there's so many foundations in this video. I just want everything, guys. I don't get sent anything, so like I just want everything everybody talks about. So yeah, those are the 20 items or a little bit more items that I want to buy if I actually had money. You know, I'm poor, so I'm attracting some like vibes from this makeup, if that makes any sense. I hope you like this video, and I hope you get some inspiration from this video as well, because I know whoever's watching this is a person that loves makeup and is a person that does not have money to buy makeup. So like we're on the same boat, ladies and gentlemen. We want makeup, but we don't have money for it, so we just gotta dream about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below if you want to tell me something. Subscribe or put on the notifications if you want to see more of my ugly face, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.